Hi, this is Dr. Harsha. I'm a pediatric resident. The last few days, there has been many updates regarding COVID vaccines. Let's get to them one by one. Since I'm a pediatrician, first I want to start talking about the children's COVID vaccines. The Pfizer vaccine has been approved for use in children about 12 years of age in the US as of now. Just yesterday, the Bharat Biotech vaccine, Covaxin, also got approved for a trial in children between 2 and 18 years of age. If all goes well, we might be seeing this vaccine soon. Zycov-D, a vaccine by Zydus Cadila, is also under trials for children above 12 years of age. Then, moving on, the Sputnik 5 vaccine has reached India, and today the price of it has been announced as rupees 995. This will be available within the next few days. Yesterday, in a press conference by Niti Aayog, we got to know that from now on, all vaccines approved by either the US FDA or the WHO can come to India from now on. So soon we might be seeing the Pfizer, Moderna, and even Johnson & Johnson's vaccines over here. It has also been reiterated that pregnant and breastfeeding mothers should get the vaccine, as we already discussed in a previous video. The Covishield vaccine, which has spearheaded the vaccination drive so far in India, also has some changes. Previously, the recommendation was a 4-week gap between the first and second dose, which was later increased to 6 weeks, which has now been increased to 12 to 16 weeks. Some people are thinking that this is just because the government doesn't have enough vaccines to go around, but that's not it. There is also some science behind it. In a recent study conducted in Oxford, they found that the efficacy of the vaccine given with 12-week gap between the doses is about 80%, but that falls down to around 55% if the gap is less than 6 weeks. Research also shows that protection starts about 21 days after the first dose itself. So, taking all of this into consideration, it's a good plan to give that 12-week gap, because more people will be getting the first dose and more people will be protected, and also the protective efficacy is also higher. Though the gap between the doses of Covaxin remains the same, though, that is 4 to 6 weeks. This committee also advised people who are affected with COVID should wait for a period of total 6 months before getting the vaccine. It's a known fact that infection would somehow protect ourselves by providing some immunity, but a 6-month delay doesn't seem very rational. There is no evidence to back it also. In other illnesses which have some vaccines, we usually vaccinate the child soon after recovery, that is around 2 to 4 weeks or so. So I believe even in case of COVID, it should be the same, that you should be getting the vaccine about 1 month or so after you get the infection. But one thing is that if you have received the plasma therapy, it is better to wait for 12 weeks at least. So now with this increasing availability of the vaccines and with more and more vaccines coming to India, I hope everyone can get at least their first dose of the vaccine so that they can be protected to a certain extent. And always remember, when you guys go out for your vaccine, wear a mask and always practice social distancing.